kids. My name is Y. Pranasai. I study in class 3C, roll number 47 in Kendriya Vidyalaya number 2 SVN. Today I am going to show my MDP project. This is my MDP project. MDP means multidisciplinary project. Name of the student Y. Pranasai. Class and section 3C. Roll number 47. Theme of the project cloth. Project title A Beautiful Cloth. Linked subjects are Hindi, English, Maths and KVS. My guide teachers are Hindi DK Usha ma'am, English J Joshna Devi ma'am, Maths J Joshna Devi ma'am, EVS VK Lakshmi ma'am. Certificate. Acknowledgement. English. My English teacher name is J Joshna Devi ma'am. In this picture, Gandhiji is rotating charaka. Charaka is used for spinning. The charaka represents struggle for independence. Gandhiji always encouraged Indians to spin their own cloth. The cloth woven from the spinning wheel is known as khadi. Picture the colors are orange, red, green, yellow, blue. Make any two words from the word charaka. Car, rat. From seeing these pictures, I have filled these blanks. Next subject is mathematics. My mathematics teacher name is J Joshna Devi ma'am. I have prepared frock, shirt, pant using craft paper. These are maths calculations. Next subject is Hindi. My Hindi teacher name is DK Usha ma'am. Topic: clothes we wear in summer, winter and rainy season. In summer, people wear pajama, top, banyan, kameez, skirt. In winter season, people wear sweater, dastane, topi, moje, shawl. In rainy season, people wear barsati, chata, juta. Here I wrote a poem on Varshrutu. Next subject is EVS. My EVS teacher name is VK Lakshmi ma'am. This is cotton fabric. This is silk fabric. This is crepe fabric. This is banyan fabric. This is woolen fabric. This picture shows painting work, embroidery work, printing work, mirror work, patchwork. I have prepared fan, t-shirt, short, skirt, vest with color papers. I have prepared paper mat using 2 different color strips. Thank you. This is my MDP project. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and share this video to your friends. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.